this is Sophia. I know we already did this, but that was Yetta's channel. I got this from Christmas. But now we're going to do this again. And this is my channel now. Yetta's channel, I think it's over and we changed it to my channel because I never had one. So, here it is. We're doing it again. Okay, so let's take out everything. Oh, painting. Another lid. Some sprinkles. And I think there's more in here. Cup. And there's one more thing. Another cup. And here are instructions. And how to make slime. Okay, so here's gonna work. So here's instructions that I already read. And now it says to put 15 ml of clear glue, into this measure thingy cup. Okay, so we're gonna pour a clear glue into this measuring thingy cup. Okay, let's get into the best of 15 ml. Get into 15 mil. Yeah. It's looking good so far. Got. Oh, am I doing it? Okay, I'm doing it in the cup. Okay, perfect. Oof. Ah, no! I went out on the 15 mil. Keep going. Ah! Nope, it's not 15. Come on. I think it's almost at 15. Okay, so the 15 ml is ready. And, yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay, so now we have to put this 15 ml cup into this bowl, and once it's all the way, we can, I guess it's done. Ooh, look at that. Oh gosh, we're running out, right? Are we supposed to like do it all the way up the cup? I think we're starting to run out. It's okay, hold on. Is that all? I think we have all glue. I think that's all glue. So I guess we're done. Okay, so now we're gonna do like where you have to put the water in the cup, and we have to put it into 25 ml. Hold on, let me roll out my sleeve. Okay. Okay. I want it to be like slow so we don't get that much, because it could be really fast. I can't see the 25. Okay, come closer. I can't see it. Where's it? Okay, so now, sorry we had a little trouble. Now we're gonna continue. So the second line's 25 ml. Ooh, this comes in pretty fast. Did I get 25? Where is it? Like, check. Okay, so now we have our 25 ml water cup. Now we're gonna put it into the same bowl we did with the clear glue. So, pour. Yes. Okay, so the instructions said that we can pick any color. I choose the sparkling blue, I guess. Yeah, that's sparkling blue. And now. I guess, we have to add 1 spoon of this. Yeah, 1 spoon. 1 spoon. Well, if you want, you can take a spoonful, right? Right, Papa? Ooh, no, 1 spoon is okay. Wait, does that mean I have to put the whole thing in? Like, I have to put the spoon in? Spoon? Now we just have to put, like, a bit more. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's still, but okay. Oh no! See, that's why we need a napkin. Put the full spoon in. And I think we're gonna stir. Can we stir? Okay, we're stirring. We have to stir, guys, so every time you have this kit, make sure you have to stir when you're doing this video. Okay, we're gonna add a pinchy of sparkles. Ah, come on. should I take more? Okay. Yeah. I guess like a full bowl? No, okay. I'll just take one more. Is that okay? Alright. And we made a little bit of a mess, but it still looks great. So the next step is to like stir it until it gets blended. So, should we take the spoon out? No. Come on. But how will we know it's fully blended? I think what it means is like until it gets light. So, mine's starting to look light. Maybe because of the light. Get it? Light blue, light. Okay. Is it done? Okay, so I think it's looking good. So we have to put this into this measuring cup. So let's open it up. Yeah. Okay. Okay, come closer. I need to check if I'm doing it right for the fun. So let's see, 5 mils in there. That was quick. Yeah, okay. I think 5 mils done. Alright, so I guess now we have to pour it in. Let's pour it in, pour it all inside. I think that's it. Is that all? Yep, that's all. Now we have to stir. So let's use it with our own stick that we already used. Stir, 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 stir. Stirry, stirry, stir. La la la. Oh! It's turning into slime! Guys, this is working. But I think that there's like more steps into it. And then it'll become into slime. Really? It's gonna be so much fun once I play with it. Whoa. Whoa, 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 what? Stir, 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 stir. Ah! It's getting a little... Papa, this is so weird. Just keep attaching. Yeah, stop chasing me. Start. Whoa. This is so cool. It's actually turning into slime. This is not what I expected, but this is what I got from Santa, and I knew I was going to get this slime kit anyway, so it's pretty fun. Yeah. I think it's fully sticky. It's really sticky. Let's try to chomp it off with our stick. Ah, it's attached. Stir it some more. Is that it? Stir it more? Until the stars get full on there. Oop, I think it's ready. Ah! I know. Whoa, that's the longest. Humongous. Ah! Whoa. Okay, this is very, very sticky. I'm trying to get it out the bowl, but it won't get out. Oh, wow, this is sticky. We have to play with it until it gets stickier. It's stickier and stickier. Ah! Oh, wow. This is so much fun, guys. You should play with the slime every day. La, 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 la. Okay, I'm kind of making a mess here. Sorry if I am. But, parents, if you want your child to have fun, this is what can have fun is being like. So buy the slime kit for your kids at store.com. Like, go to the mall and go to Showcase. And then I guess you will see this slime, but I don't think they have this packet anymore. So, sorry, but ask for Santa, I guess, next Christmas. Okay, so we did one off camera because I don't want you guys see that we're doing the same thing over and over. So like, we made pink and blue because pink and blue makes purple. Look at this nice slime. Whoa, The more I stir it, the more prettier purple it gets. So that's it. Okay, guys, so like we made all 3 of them. You can say which one's your favorite if out of one of these. So for the blue one or the purple one or the pink one, you have to choose one favorite. And this blanket's really fun. You can find this at Toys R Us or ask Santa for it. It is so much fun. Even my friend has it, Maya. So that's how you make slime. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Comment down in the comment box and leave a like on the Strictum. Click the bell button. And thanks for watching.